best R&B. Let's do that whenever singing out to everybody around. All my mamas and papas around Bankhead. Bankhead Barbershop, everybody out there. Bankhead Seafood, Bankhead everything. You know, you don't forget that. You gotta join us. You gotta join us. My man. Y'all know I'm one of his biggest fans, Art Terrell, Anytime. Kiss to you this Saturday, today, starting at 12. Starting at 12. Over at the Publix at 2235 Glenwood Avenue. My main man, Art Terrell, is going to be there to help kick off tailgating season. That's right, football season here. The Publix got all the snacks you need for today. Starting at 12, I know.
I ain't doing shit.
Snacks and some samples and this and that.
That's what I was doing that night. I was doing it
to help improve the tailgate.
Right now at the Home Depot, get 25% off when you buy 2 bags of Scott's Fertilizer 5,000 square feet or larger.
Hey, hold up. That's bullshit. That's bullshit if you ever saw it. You ever saw some bullshit. Hell no. Y'all fucking with me now. Don't do that.
Switched to Geico and saved hundreds of dollars on car insurance. Her retirement account wants to bake her a chocolate cake. But it can't. It's a retirement account. It doesn't have the upper body strength to lift a cake pan into an oven. Switch to Geico, and every time you see the savings, you'll know your retirement account wants to bake you a chocolate cake. But remember, it can't. It's a retirement account. It is, however, happy that...
Hey! Son of a bitch! What is this, right in the
Please call 404-346-3406 and visit SharkBarATL.com. Ladies Night, brought to you by CT Entertainment and the Shark Bar. And this Saturday, all I do is win, no matter what. Come watch Floyd Money Mayweather beat the out of Canelo Alvarez at one of 2 locations. Capital 2 on the north side, 6075 Roswell Road, and the Shark Bar on the south side, 2841 Greenbrier Parkway. This might be the biggest fight in 10 years. May 14th, Canelo Alvarez in the fight